The 2025 Ford Bronco Sport Badlands combines rugged capability with modern styling, designed to turn heads on both city streets and off-road trails. Its bold, upright stance is complemented by signature round LED headlights and a striking black grille with the iconic Bronco badge. Functional design elements like roof rails, tow hooks, and skid plates underscore its adventure-ready nature. Unique Badlands touches, such as aggressive 17-inch alloy wheels and all-terrain tires, enhance its rugged aesthetic, while options like a contrasting roof and unique paint colors let you personalize your Bronco Sport. At the heart of the Bronco Sport Badlands is a turbocharged 2.0-liter EcoBoost engine, delivering 250 horsepower and 277 pound-foot of torque, paired with a 6-speed manual transmission for ultimate driver engagement. The advanced 4x4 system with a twin-clutch rear drive unit ensures outstanding off-road capability, seamlessly transferring power to where it's needed most. Equipped with the exclusive Badlands off-road suspension, trail control, and 7 selectable G.O.A.T, goes over any terrain. Modes: the Bronco Sport handles rocky trails, sandy dunes, and muddy paths with confidence and precision. The Bronco Sport Badlands offers a surprisingly spacious rear seat area for a compact SUV, providing ample legroom and headroom for passengers. The durable materials and easy-to-clean surfaces make it ideal for adventurers who bring along pets or gear. Rear passengers benefit from thoughtful touches such as rear climate vents, USB charging ports, and MOLLE strap storage on the back of the front seats. The 60/40 split-folding rear seats add versatility, allowing you to carry both passengers and larger cargo with ease. The interior of the Bronco Sport Badlands is built to handle rugged adventures while maintaining comfort. Durable, water-resistant materials on the seats and floors make cleanup after outdoor excursions effortless. The cabin is outfitted with a leather-wrapped steering wheel, unique Badlands badging, and a practical center console for extra storage. The elevated driving position provides excellent visibility, while the minimalist yet functional layout ensures all controls are easily accessible. Ample headroom and smart storage solutions make the interior both comfortable and adventure-ready. The Bronco Sport Badlands features Ford's latest Sync 4 infotainment system with an 8-inch touchscreen, offering seamless connectivity through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Enhanced voice recognition makes accessing navigation, music, and apps easy while keeping your hands on the wheel. Off-road tech includes a front 180-degree camera with a washer, providing clear visibility on tricky trails. Optional tech upgrades like a wireless charging pad and a premium Bang & Olufsen audio system further enhance convenience and entertainment. The Ford Bronco Sport Badlands comes with an extensive suite of advanced safety features under the Ford Co-Pilot 360-degree umbrella. Standard features include pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring with a rear cross-traffic alert. Additional safety tech, such as adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality and evasive steering assist, is available. With these advanced systems, the Bronco Sport Badlands ensures confidence and security, both on and off the road. Practicality and convenience are at the forefront of the Bronco Sport Badlands. Keyless entry with push-button start makes getting on the road quick and easy, while the hands-free power liftgate simplifies loading and unloading. The configurable cargo management system with tie-down points and underfloor storage ensures your gear stays secure. Dual-zone automatic climate control and multiple USB ports ensure comfort and connectivity for all passengers, no matter where the trail takes you. The 2025 Ford Bronco Sport Badlands is the perfect blend of rugged capability, everyday practicality, and driver-focused performance. Its bold exterior, turbocharged engine, and off-road ready features make it ideal for outdoor enthusiasts, while the spacious interior, advanced technology, and comprehensive safety systems ensure it excels as a daily driver. Whether you're tackling tough trails or navigating city streets, the Bronco Sport Badlands is built to handle every adventure with confidence and style. Looking for your next ride? Come to Bell Ford, where great deals meet exceptional service. Visit us at bellford.com or call us today at 602-2814-080.